the next demonstration, we are going to see how we can do some sort of autofill for a certain range of cells. So let us assume that we have one formula which is applied for a certain row. So what we do is we scroll down that formula to some other cells, and the same formula which we have specified for one cell is going to be applied for all the other cells which we have highlighted. We'll try to do the same using UiPath. What we need is we need Excel application scope, and we need also another activity which we call it autofill range. Autofill range. In autofill range, what I need to do, I need to specify the source cell which is containing the formula, and after that I need to provide the destination to which kind of cells I need to apply the same formula. So I will go to my data Excel file, and I'm going to create a formula into a certain cell. This is my cell. I'm going to actually start writing my formula. So I'm going to use concatenate, and then after that I'm going to concatenate 1, and then after that semicolon name semicolon trainer. So as you can see, the data which was available in different cells of that row, it was actually what? It was actually concatenated into one cell of the column. So what I want, and what we can do usually, we can just drag this one into the other cells and we can get the same formula applied on the other cells. What we want to do is we want to do this by using UiPath. Let us see how we can do that practically. To do that, what we need to do is, so the cell ID is D2. To do that, what we need to do, we need to create a new sequence. We will call it demo 9. And then after that, I'm going to copy Excel application scope into the new sequence. I will remove set range color, and I will include autofill range. So this is actually the activity, just drag it. After dragging the auto fill range, what we need to do, we need to specify the cell which is containing the formula. So in our case, it is D2. Fine. And we need to actually provide the range of what? The range of cells where we need to apply the same formula. And usually what we do is we go to the cell, to the source cell, and we drag it. So what we need to do here, we need to highlight the range starting from the cell where the formula is available, which is D2. And then we need to actually provide what? We need to provide the destination, the complete range. So here what we need to do is, usually if I want to apply this one, I need to go to that cell, the source cell, and I need to drag it. So similarly also in UiPath, what we need to do, we need to provide on the destination, we need to provide the destination range starting from D2 until the end, which is in this case D7. So let us apply the same. Let us actually apply the same. So I'm just going to specify from D2 to D7. And then after that, I'm going to run the file. So there is no error. Let us just try to go and see if the formula was applied to the other rows. So as you can see, the formula which was applied only for D2 for the first or the second row, it was now applied for all the others, for all the other rows. So we were able to do the autofilling successfully.